Hey everyone, this is Saidul here. Today I have something exciting for you. Do you want complete control over your website fonts? What if you could customize fonts exactly the way you want? Get to know Artifont, the ultimate font customization tool that's super easy and completely free. Take a deep dive into Artifont and see how it can revolutionize your web typography experience. With Artifonts, you can create fonts from Artifont existing library or upload any font and customize it however you like. No coding required. Want to turn your image or GIFs into unique fonts? Let me show you how in just a few steps. First, head over to Artifont and upload any image or GIF you want to use. This will be the base for your custom font. Next, choose your preferred font from Artifont collection of over 1300 free fonts. And you can change the color and width of the stroke. And please select the elements to be included in the preview. And here are interesting thing. There are 3-layer models which are behind glyph, on glyph and above glyph. By incorporating the 3-layer glyph technique, fonts became more than just character on a screen. They transform into artistic expression that capture attention and elevate design quality. Whether used in branding, poster or digital typography, this method offers endless creative possibilities. Now I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of customizing the font by uploading an image or GIF. Additionally, I will show you how to export your customized fonts for us. Let's get started. If you prefer a more visual guide, there's a detailed tutorial for you, which I will show you in a moment. It's an easy way to get started and get the most out of your customization. Before installing the font, you can preview it using a feature called Typography. This allows you to see how the fonts look in different style and context, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your project. Additionally, there's an option to generate image using the font, giving you more creative flexibility. But the main focus is on the preview, ensuring you to make the best choice before installation. And to make things even easier, Artifont offers step-by-step tutorials on various platforms. You will learn how to install Artifont on Wix, how to integrate it with WordPress, and how to use it on your HTML projects. These guides ensure that you can easily navigate through the setup process and start creating stunning typography in on time. Want to take things further? The tutorials also cover advanced font customization techniques such as increasing font width, adjusting font size and refining text appearance for a professional look. Plus, you will learn how to upload and edit image, integrate fonts into your website, and make everything blend beautifully. And more interesting part is hassle-free updates. Use Artifont Automate Server integration. Any change to your fonts instantly update on your website, or go the manual route, your choice. And Artifont works everywhere like WordPress, HTML, Wix, Shopify and more. No technical skill needed. Just pick, tweak and apply. The future of typography is here, so if you are ready to level up your design game, check out Artifont today, watch the tutorial, experiment with customization and bring your creative vision to life. Try Artifont, click the link in the description.